attempting also. Send everyone. This is the pattern. Two one eight. Salish. The negative marks also need to send. Chemistry negative. First priority chemistry negative. Then total negative also you can send it. I can see how many you are getting. At least chemistry negative you can send it. The chemistry score is very lesser. 86. Okay, fine. 71, 67, 86. Pranav, you can add that's your original score. That's their mistake. Okay. So you can add your original score. That is. Alright, please send when you are done correctly, but they are not giving correct score. With your ID, you can forward me, sir. I can forward to Ramesh sir or some people. Yesterday, some Pranav he given, he done perfectly, but that is they didn't give awarded any score. At that time, please forward me. I can forward to those corresponding person. But your ID, user ID also you have to send that one. Then only because they're asking user ID also. There is a reason. So, Anjay. Pranav, you can consider that score, then give total. Right, tomorrow class is there means why not? Kavin Raj, 60. Array, you are not giving total score. Negative marks. Array, you can tell to me everything honestly, then I can help you. You have nothing to feel bad. Okay, even leave that shy and all these things. It doesn't matter. We are getting negative 5 marks also. So what? We can improve next exam. No? Array, already I share screen. Huh? I hope already. Max 60. One negative. Oh, too good for now. Send me that one. Whatever you are getting mistakes means you done correctly, but you didn't awarded any marks. At the time, please send me that one. You can ask them what is the problem. Don't expect any holiday from seekers. First, you have to come out from that school days to college date, college days. Good, good. I think so approximately 280 is the highest score, or 280 or 270. I think so. 280, I think so. That's highest score. Pranav. Anyone you got? Please message me. Anyone you got 250 plus? Please send that one. Your name. 250 plus. Any students, please? 251 Atish. Any other, please? 271 Kanish. Very good. Next 280 Pranav. Okay, fine. 270 plus, fine. Doesn't matter. Any other, please? So 3 students. 243. Vidyashri. Good, good. 230 plus, sir. Anyone? Gayatri. 236. 245. Very good, good. Very good, very good. So good students in this section. Good, sir. Good. Anyone 200 plus, sir? 200 plus. Below 230, 200 plus. 230 to 200. Gayatri, fine. Sailesh, good, good. I seen too many people is there. 246, Balmurugan, fine. 222, Surya Narayanan. 201, Shreyas. With that image, sorry, I am not able to see that one image. Okay, please you may can send directly. 219, fine. 265, Devadarshan. That is, I can't stop. Even I am trying to stop that from the type of sound. Think bird making sound. I'm trying to stop that one, but I can't do that. That is far away a little bit. But still, I didn't start class. That's why I'm talking slowly only. Don't worry, you'll get my voice during class. Okay, good, everyone. But try to concentrate little bit. You have native marks. So most of the students good here. Means if you are expecting more than that, you are getting score. Some people. But try that is every exam, not one exam. Or 1 or 2 exams, everyone they will get that score. So you have to maintain constantly. So please keep in mind here. Try it 0 negative, sir, always. 0 negative. Assume that one, suppose some people they are getting, sir. Total some people they got more than 10 also negative they got, sir. 10 questions also negative overall. Maybe chemistry 3 or 4. So physics your favorite subject, maybe that is 2. Max maybe got 5 like that. Assume that one. So total how many, sir? 11 A2 marks. 11 A2 marks means you can see, suppose you are getting here 120. I'm talking about average student. We have some little bit scope reservation and everything, but 120 score you got with 11 A2 marks. Who are getting 120 means that should be maybe your native marks more than 15. I am expecting. Who are getting 120 like that score because you done too many mistakes. But I'm taking still 11 only. Clear? 11 A2 marks because of this. 11, suppose positive means how many marks will get, sir? Each question 4 marks correct plus 1 because this is not negative. Is it correct? So we are going to be add indirectly 5 marks. So you can add 44 marks for indirectly. You can check 164 marks we are getting here. 164 means you will be the NIT answer will get based on your reservation category little bit. So think that one total negative marks also much more effective, that one much more effective. Yes, 55 plus 1 we are going to be add because that negative marks also. Okay, keep in mind that is. So next time please don't do that type of mistakes, please. Try it, try to correct. Reduce maximum negative marks. For target is 0 negative, sir. When you are getting 0 negative, then you got 100% you are going to get very best rank. Very best rank you are going to get if you are getting 0 negative. At least reduce, minimize that negative marks. That's what we are expecting. Good, good, good. Yeah, that's why I'm telling that one. Are we are doing everyday revision only, na? I hope you are doing everyday revision only, every day. Hmm? How we are revising? Array, you can check it from your side. You are revising or not? I am giving this the way. Still, why you are expecting that is revision in chemistry? I don't know. That's just look into that. Array, are you practicing class notes theory and rough paper? On rough paper, sir. And second one, per day 5 to 10 questions. Array, this is I am giving generally who are not getting like board exam, they are getting passed like that purpose. This 10, 5 to 10 questions. If you are really advanced means you can increase little bit number, little bit. Now you can try up to 15, but in future automatically they're going to be increases, sir, because you'll get speedness. That is common for everyone. Okay. So these two you should be follow. When I am going to give internal marks for you people, chemistry internal marks, I am going to be consider this is the work, main work. Anyway, you are going to be upload that is that day you can add that homework here also, 10 to 15 questions now. So you can add here. But this is daily work, sir. This is daily inbuilt homework. This is daily, sir. You have to do every day this work. Don't tell today max homework is there, sir. Today chemistry homework is there. You get my point? So I hope you understood. If you have any questions, doubt, you may can ask. Otherwise, maybe they will give one doubt section. At the time, we'll discuss. They may can give one doubt section at the time we'll discuss. Clear? So can you revise last class which is a given radius properly? How we are deriving that is? Please look into that one. And if you have doubts, you can share it right now. Otherwise, maybe later you can see they will give one doubt section. I think so. They said that one test date is there. What is it, Kaushik Babu? 106. I got 106, 22. What is that one? Total that is, I'm not getting. I will get timetable. I don't know that is. Vishnu will decide timetable is there or not. Okay. 22. Why that many less? What's the problem, Kaushik Babu? May can send your report and let me know your problem. I can. That's why. I can send. I think so. My number you have that one. Na? Tomorrow class I don't know that is. They will send timetable. Even I am also feeling surprised that is. You are telling not directly, sir, class is there tomorrow. I am also like you only. If class is there, okay, fine. If not there, we can enjoy together. Fine. So right next siding, calculation of energy of an electron. This we given siding. Calculation of energy of an electron. An electron. Whenever I was student, I am also enjoying that one. They are feeling that one mentally prepared. Class, school is there. Then suddenly they given holiday. That's everyone feel happy only. Even work is there. We will feel that happy. That's common. We are humans. Huh? That's human psychology. That is. Everyone we can enjoy that one. That situation is there. Very common. Everyone that's common. Just. So here we are going to be calculate very simple thing. This is electron. This is the nucleus, which is positive charge. I'm writing, sir, always positive charge means protons is present in the nucleus. That's why I'm writing positive charge. When protons is there, that is the reason we are writing positive charge. Now our target is, if we calculate orbit energy, nothing but that's equal to electron energy. We are calculating energy of this orbit. Okay, distance we calculated r. Now I am going to be calculate energy of the orbit. Energy of the orbit, nothing but energy of electron, that is indirectly. So now we are going to be calculate energy of the electron indirectly by using orbit energy are going to be calculated. Okay, Mr. Kanish. Okay, fine. Now we can see here any electron. A potential energy, how to calculate if two charged particles is there. This is the Q1 charge. This is Q2 charge. Distance is R. Coulombic force of attraction are given. But potential energy is in terms of charge is same as it is, but here R only. K into Q1 Q2 by R is the potential energy. Then force of attraction F equal to for Coulombic attraction forces equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square. Is the difference, sir? This is we have to know that one. I am using a little bit chemistry for physics formula here to calculate energy of the electron. To calculate energy of the electron, I am using this little bit. So now you can check it here. Total energy of the orbit equal to total energy equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. This is the total energy of the system. So kinetic energy equal to, I can write half mv square. You know that one. K equal to half mv square. Understood? So previous derivation we mentioned, that is when we are solving radius equal to, when we are solving starting, sir, this is kinetic energy formula. Potential energy already got it from two charged particles. Hey, please look into here. Don't get any confusion, sir. I'm calculating energy of the orbit. So that energy, how to calculate, so we are trying to give derivation. This is charge, you can assume Q1. This is the electron charge Q2, sir. Attraction between Q1, Q2, potential energy, that is. That's a potential energy formula already we mentioned here. Q1 nothing but Z into E I can write, sir. Please keep in mind this is. Z is the number of protons. Electron charge equal to proton charge. In place of Q1, please keep in mind Q1 equal to minus ZE. Please write, sir, this is. Y minus ZD. Z is positive. Electron charge is nothing but negative. That is the reason. Sorry. ZD only can write Y minus. We don't want to write minus here. ZD, sir. Number of protons into that charge. Charge of proton. That is the Q1. Q2 is electron only. The charge is negative only. That is. This is positive. That is negative. Attraction. Now kinetic energy I can write here. Half mv square equal to, this is kinetic energy, but before that one, a radius equation, can you observe that one? I mentioned one small point here. Starting, sir, we equal, that is force, a centrifugal force equal to centripetal force. In that case, I mentioned here mv square by r equal to, please check that is your class notes, k into z e square by r. This is equal, sir, r square. Is it correct? So R we cancel, that is anything you remembered, sir? Class notes you can refer, sir. Last class I given. So just last class only I given, that is radius derivation. Once upon a time we discussed that one. You may can recollect, sir. 1947 we discussed that one. These both are equal. After that, mv square equal to kz is correct. I'm dividing both side 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, sir. What will you get here? Nothing but half mv square. Is it correct? Nothing but kze square by 2. 2r can I write? Array 1 by 2 are multiplying. Nothing but 2r. So this is kinetic energy, sir. This is kinetic energy. Don't get confused how to derive that one. Also I given very clearly on the screen. Please look into that one. I am taking this formula from yesterday last class, which is radius we are equaling. From that I took that is because potential energy in terms of charges. So I need to take kinetic energy also in terms of charges. That's the reason I took here. Nothing remaining. I'm going to write all the energies in terms of charges only. So kinetic energy formula equal to kze square by 2r. Is it correct? Anything wrong? Any doubt here up to this? Q equal to charge, nothing but. Okay. Actual potential energy formula, you know that one. I think you are studying now. P equal to mgh something formula. Is it correct? This is for objects which you are doing. For charges, this is the formula. For charges, kinetic energy formula. In terms of charges, this is kinetic energy formula. We are going to be studying physics at 12th standard. We are going to be studying in physics 12th standard. If you took any foundation or 9th or 10th standard, your teachers is good. Maybe they can explain this formula. Right, potential energy formula, but you can keep here minus, sir. Positive and minus will get, this is one is negative charge, other one is positive. You may can get negative sign. Right, please note down this part first. Why you are getting confusion? Don't get anything. Very simple. I am going to be calculate energy of the system. Right, total energy first this point. Then kinetic energy, right? Right, one by one, sir. Kinetic energy I am writing half mv square. So this we are getting equal, sir. R please note down this one, kinetic energy. Potential will explain again one more time if you are getting any doubt. mv square by r and kz square by r. So r square and r will be cancelled here. R square and r going to be cancelled. Then what is the finally reminders? I converted into kinetic energy. First note down kinetic energy. First note down kinetic energy. Again I will discuss potential energy, sir. Please concentrate. So I am dividing both side half. We are multiplying, sir. You can assume that one. Just we are multiplying both side half. Half m square nothing but kinetic energy. What is the remainder here? Kz square by tr. This is the kinetic energy of the electron proton system. You can write Z equal to atomic number, E equal to charge of electron, nothing but here charge of electrons are E equal to charge of electron. R equal to radius of the orbit from nucleus to orbit radius, that is. If completed, let me know that one completed. We can move further. Then I will discuss potential energy, then we are adding both. So what is the kinetic energy? Ultimately got it, kinetic energy equal to half mv square equal to kz square by 2r. You got it? This is the kinetic energy. Please keep in mind. Kinetic energy equal to half m square equal to kz square by 2r. Next point, please. Now potential energy we are doing, sir. Potential energy. If any charged particles this is charged particles potential energy in terms of charges potential energy. You are going to be study in future. You are going to be study in future. Don't worry that one. Now I am giving potential energy formula. Try to remember. This maybe one is positive charge, one is negative charge. Here positive charge is ZE, sir. Distance is R. From here I am going to calculate potential energy equal to here, sir. K you can write constant. Q equal to Z into E. This electron charge into minus C, sir. By distance how much are here? R. So you can write potential energy equal to finally minus, because minus charge, electron charge is negative charge, sir. That's why we're writing minus. Minus into K Z E into E square by R. This is the potential energy of the electron, and this kinetic energy of the electron. What is the total energy formula, sir? Potential energy plus kinetic energy. Please substitute this formula. Please note down potential energy also. Take 1 minute time and try to note down potential energy. Once completed by noted down potential energy, let me know that one. Minus, why you are keeping, sir, minus? Because electron charge is negative. That is the reason we kept minus. We are solving. We are trying to get orbit energy, sir. Calculation of orbit energy. That orbit energy nothing but energy of orbit nothing but energy of electron only indirectly. I am going to be calculate what is the. We given some statement, sir. Bohr's model. When electron revolving around the nucleus, that won't be lose energy, and each orbit have fixed amount of energy. That's why we call these are stationary orbits. So fixed amount of energy term I am using. I am going to be calculate that fixed amount of energy only now. Yes, correct. Ashwin, correct only. Please avoid those things in between when I'm asking, when I'm discussing concept. If you want talk or send SMS related to this concept. So school exam is going or not, what is the syllabus, these things, avoid that one. That is nonsense things. If you're asking that things means we are not interested in this concept. That's why you're asking the. Okay. Now total energy equal to, write it, kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy equal to A square by R plus potential energy equal to how much, sir, here? What is the potential energy equal to? Minus kZd square by R. Please write. This is the potential energy. Please note down and write it. Potential energy equal to minus kZe square by R. So what is the total energy formula finally, sir? The same. You can take common also if you, or you can give final answer. I need final answer, whatever you are getting. I think you are experts to take LCM and common and everything. Can you give final answer? Minus kZe square by 2R. Can I write? If anything wrong, please check it. Total energy equal to, this is minus kZe square by 2R. Please check it, sir. If any have doubt. This is plus 1 by 2. This is minus 1. Plus 1 by 2 and minus 1. Which is more, sir? Minus 1 is more. What you will get? Plus 0.5 minus 1. What you will get only? Minus 0.5. That's only principle I am applied. This is plus 1 by 2. This is minus 1. So resultant you will get minus only, sir. This is the K total energy of the orbit. So now I am asking, what is the relationship between potential energy by kinetic energy? What will get, sir, here? What is the relationship between potential energy by kinetic energy, sir? Anyone, please? Here only na potential energy is, this is 1, this is minus 1, this is plus half. What is the relation you will get? minus 2 by 1 can I get, or is it correct? Minus 2 by 1. The ratio I'm asking. This is the total energy formula. You got it. Now question is, what the ratio of potential energy? This is the potential energy, and this is kinetic energy. What is the relation you will get, sir? And if you want, you can substitute here. Minus kz e square by r by kz e square by 2r. So I think so. We'll get here kz e square by r. Kz e square by r is common. You will get minus 1 by 2 is the remainder. You can get this indirectly 2, but minus is there or not? So I think so. This is the relation, potential energy, kinetic energy relation. What is the relation between potential energy and total energy, sir? Potential energy and total energy. What is the ratio? Potential energy and total energy ratio, sir. Here only formulas. Don't get anything, sir. This is total energy formula. This is potential energy formula. Substitute, you will get ratios. Again, same thing. Substitute potential energy. Minus kz square by r by minus kz square by 2r. Things will get 1 by 1 by 2. Nothing but 2 by 1. 2 is to 1. So be ready at one. What is the potential, total energy and kinetic energy relation? Otherwise, you can write kinetic energy and total energy relation, sir. I think so. 1 is to minus 1. Is it correct? Anything wrong, sir? Can I write like that? Right, substitute all the values you will get. Please write on paper, practice. These are not difficult mathematics. Fine. So these are the relations which we are going to expect. Sometime they will give potential energy. Then they can ask kinetic energy. How to do? By taking ratios you can get. Sometimes they will give kinetic energy. Then they can ask total energy. How to get? If you know all these relations, then you can do very well. So now finally, you got it. Energy derivation. Please check it. Anyone, if you are not noted down, please note down. Because last I think we are asking slides. We may not be free. Ashwin, I'm trying to see, but too many SMS is there. That's going very fast up and very coming very fast down also. That's why sometimes I'm not able to see your SMS. So don't think that is wrongly. Okay. Sometimes I'm not able to see. But I'm seeing most of the SMS, but I'm trying to do that one. Once you complete it, please know that, let me know that one. You can go further. So now here, total energy equal to, finally I got one formula, sir. What is that formula? K equal to, sorry, T equal to finally minus K Z E square by 2R. Is it correct? Final formula. Now R equal to, yesterday we derived some formula, sir. R equal to. What is the R equal to yesterday formula? We derived that one. A very big formula yesterday I given. Rn equal, not yesterday. Okay. Rn equal to n square by h square by 2 4 pi square. No, that is 4 pi square m kz square. Like this I given any formula, please check it. Then in place of r you need to substitute the result. In place of R, you can substitute that big one. And substitute what you will get. Total energy equal to minus K into Z E square by 2 into N square H square. And this will go means 1 by means it will come up. I'm writing here 4 pi square M K Z E square. Is it correct? I think so. K Z E square only, na? Yesterday we given. So now check it. So which is cancelling, you can write, sir. Cancel, that is. Then remaining only you can write. I think so. This is 2 times I can get. Then finally total energy equal to so which I'm writing is correct or not, you can check it. Minus 2 K square, I think so, huh? K square Z square E power 4. Things you can write pi square also, no? This is. You can write pi anywhere. Okay. So just you can write yourself, you can get long time, that is. Two pi square, no? 2 pi square K square Z square E power 4. Any other thing, sir? M is there. I think so M also is there, no? Mass. Into M by N square H square. Please check it is correct or wrong. Anything I forgot, any letter, please check. So by substituting all the values except Z square and N square, sir. Except Z square and square, remaining all values you can substitute either MKS system or CGS system. That's up to you. Fine. M also I wrote. Check it now. Now you can see final value by substituting all the values. So total energy, or I'm taking En. En means energy of the shell, equal to, except, sir, Z square and square you can take out. Minus 2 pi square K square E power 4 M by H square into Z square by N square. So I'm substituting all these values in different units in CGS system, MK system, everything I'm substituting. So if you have a package, please open, that is En equal to minus into, if you are using joules, okay, means you may can say that is in terms of X and joules I'm giving minus 21.8 into 10 power minus 12 into Z square by N square. This is egg per atom. Please note down all the units. This is, can you convert joules? 1 erg equal to how many joules, sir? I think so 10 power minus 19 you will get in joule per atom. Please note down all these things. Minus 21.8 into 10 power minus 19 into Z square by N square joule per atom, sir. Next again, all these are En only, nth shell orbit. In terms of calories, minus 313.6 into Z square by N square. I am writing Z square by N square. Again, don't write 2 power 2 something, sir. We are getting confusion. About the mention. If anything is there, change, please find, that is. Use little bit common sense also. That right. Don't copy as it is. Huh? This is for kilocalorie per mole. Kilocalorie, not per, I think so per mole only, sir. This is per mole. Per mole means you are converting into Avogadro number. No? Per Avogadro number you are going to be calculating. That's why 10 power minus 19 is gone. Next, which is you are using highly frequently, and most of the time they are asking questions in terms of that one, sir. En equal to minus 13.6 into Z square by N square. Electron volt per atom. This is we are using most frequently, most and most. 1 electron volt equal to, already you know that one. I think so already I mentioned that is right. 1 electron volt equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Equal to how many eggs, sir? Same thing, 1.602 into 10 power minus 12 eggs. Even you make and write in calories also. 1 electron volt equal to 3.83 into 10 power minus 23 kilocalories. This is the given, please note down. So now I am going to use mostly in terms of electron volt, sir. In terms of electron volt. This is the final formula. Minus 13.6 into Z square by N square electron volt per atom. Remember that value right now, everyone. Right now only remember this value. How you, don't tell sir how you are getting when I am going to solve that problem. Don't tell that one. Don't ask sir how you got that value. What is the energy value? Minus 13.6 into Z square by N square. Please remember everyone that is. With the derivation you may can get easily, sir. Doesn't matter. Okay. Please note down this is. Completed. Once completed, let me know that one. Good. Now see, now onwards questions. Array, I need from your side, I am asking 10 questions, sir. 10 questions. How to do? I am giving that one. You can prepare easily. You can do not 10, you can do 20 also. You can prepare yourself. I think so. Ready some questions I given. Now calculate E1 for hydrogen atom, sir. E1 for hydrogen atom. So E1 Z equal to 1, N equal to 1. E1 for hydrogen atom how much? Minus 13.6 into 1 square by 1 square. Electron volt per atom. This is I am asking hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen atom. Please note down this is I am asking for hydrogen atom. E1 means N equal to 1. Then what will get E1 equal to? Minus 13.6 electron volt per atom. So this is the nucleus. First shell orbit, sir. First shell energy that is we are calculating. N equal to 1 means this N equal to 1. We are going to do second one, sir. N equal to 2. So first shell energy how much they given? Minus 13.6. E2 equal to how much, sir? Can you calculate please? Substitute E1, E2, E3, E4 up to that. E1, E2, E3, E4 up to E4 I required. Even more also, at least write up to E4. Calculate E1, E2, E3, E4. Array Balamurgan, who told you one shell that is? Who told you? I don't know that is. I never told hydrogen have only one shell. It have infinity number of shells. But electron present first shell only. Okay, keep in mind that word. electron present in first shell, but they have infinity number of shells. Minus 3.4 electron volt per atom. Okay, just substituting. Write in formula, sir. Every time write in formula. E3 equal to minus 13.6 into Z is 1 square. This is n square means 3 square, sir. Then calculate. First write formula, then substitute. Don't write like this I am writing, which I am writing. Every time, or if you want to remember long time, every time you have to write this formula. Then substitute n value, z value. Don't substitute directly. If you are substituting directly means you will get negative marks. How much? Are why 13.4, 13 not 13 by 4 you are writing. 13.6 only can take. Don't take approximate. You won't get correct answers. Electron volt, that too much difference you will get. Minus 1.51. Make and try last one. E4. So 0.85. Okay. Minus 0.85 electron volt. So understood? Now one sentence I given, I think she noted down or not, I don't know. That is, when shell numbers increases, energy difference between shells decreases. I given on word. Maybe how many people you noted down, I don't know. That is, energy difference between shells decreases when shell number increases. I given E1, E2, E3 also, which is difference also we provided. See here more difference, and here little bit still this is. Suppose take it, sir. E2 minus E1, how much you are getting? E3 minus E2 you can write. E4 minus E2, E3. Please note down this is. I need all these values. Everyone have E1, E2, E3, E4. All values have that one. Just subtract only. Just subtracting. Some people they are just logging, they are doing, they are roaming their room like that. And they are walking in that room and they are looking out of the mirror, means in windows. They are looking outside. Just they are copying some people what I wrote on screen. Then we are asking seriously, sir, we don't understand, sir. All this type of people, I can't do anything. I can't help you. Okay, right now. When you people realize that one, whenever you want study, then come to me 100%. I will help you that. But condition, whenever you are coming with your interest, then only I can help you. When you, even where you don't have interest, you are asking also, I can tell, but no, that won't be helpful for you. Yes. So take little bit serious. Why I can't understand? Very easy for you all these things. In regularly daily life, you are learning too many difficult things. These are easy things. Daily life, you are learning too many difficult things, sir. Because you are learning those things with interesting. That's why easy for you. Especially chemistry, you can't say tough. Huh? If tough means first I won't learn chemistry. Huh? Keep in mind that is. E2 minus E1, how much, sir? 10.9 something they given. Is it correct? 10.2 and 1.89. Okay, 10.2. Fine. And this is 1.89. Now what about sir? 0.66. Is it correct? Check it, everyone. Yes, very good. 0.66. Now we can observe that one, sir. Energy difference increases or decreases when shell number increases? When shell number increases, energy difference increases or decreases? Here you are writing 10.2, sir. Here the difference is 1.89. Here the energy difference is 0.66. Which one have more energy difference? So 1 and 2, keep in mind. 1 and 2 is the highest difference about any shells, that is, except infinity. Except E infinity to E1, remaining all the cases, we are getting this the mostly energy value. So we proved that one. When shell number increases, energy difference decreases. Why minus? Difference is positive only, na? Energy difference is positive only. Why minus you have to write? E2 minus E1 means minus of minus will get positive only, na? No? I think difference is positive only, I am expecting. What is the units we are using previously? 13.6. What is the units that is? Ashwin. Then electron volt only, na? Yes, electron volt per atom only, na? Salish, why minus? Minus of minus plus only, na? Check it here. E2. I hope you done very well. That's why I didn't write. We're experts. Minus 13.4 E2. E1 is minus of minus 13.6. Please calculate. We are getting minus or plus. E2 minus E1 I am writing on screen. E2 minus E1 I wrote on screen. Are you getting positive or negative? Please check it. Some people are asking why, sir, you are not writing minus. That's we are taking difference. Yes. Please check it. That is. I think with broad mind, not narrow, then easy. Everything is looking very easy. Write like this diagram. Write that all values N1, N2, E1, E2 values differences. You can write anything. So you can write here. First shell is 13.6 minus 13.6. Second shell minus 3.4. And third shell something you wrote now minus. Something you wrote, I think so, 1.51. Minus 1.51. Minus 1.51. So everything you can keep here like that also. So you can make one proper diagram all the energetically. Now I think you got it. How to do? Now homework, sir. I need everyone, you have to do this homework. So write it. Same. E2 minus. Yes.
Hello, sir. Only one announcement, sir,
Yes,
for
yes,
students.
Yes, you can.
My students, tomorrow there will be no classes. Tomorrow it's leave for you. Okay. From day after tomorrow, the class will resume. Tomorrow alone, it's a holiday for you. It's just an announcement that tomorrow it's a holiday for you. Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. I think so students are most happy. Huh?
Yeah.
Good. At least sometimes they need happiness. E4 minus E1 for hydrogen atom. So like this type of questions you can create, sir. Then you can take E2 by E1. This is for lithium 2 plus. This is for He plus. Like this, anything different type of questions you can take. I need minimum 10 questions. Minimum 10. Please write. Take break. I hope you understood what is the process, how to do. Array, please practice energy based questions. Every textbook they are given and previous questions also is there. Now you can try previous questions or package whatever you want. You will get sufficient number of homework today. Clear? Please check and do that one. Thank you very much. Take it break. Enjoy tomorrow holiday na. Enjoy that one. Array, enjoy with chemistry problems. Array, not any element. I given hydrogen like atoms. Lithium 2 plus, hydrogen, helium plus, mostly. I think so. Beryllium 3 plus. These 4 mostly are boron 4 plus also. You can't take everyone. Array, yes, we have to send key correction with the screenshot as it is. You took that one, you got correct answer, but they given wrong. That type of correction with your ID you can send, sir. Because I can forward to them. That's why. They're asking which ID again question, but again I have to send you SMS. That's why. Japit will discuss all these things. Stark effect, Zeeman effect, everything will discuss. You don't worry that one. Thank you. Take break.
Hello, sir. You can leave, sir.